How to see trending in Twitter. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to see trending in Twitter, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What we need to do to begin with is to head into the Twitter app on the phone. And as you can see, I am now on the Twitter app and I am now on the message option, but I need to change to search instead. And to do that, I simply need to click right here. Now I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, there's a bunch of trending hashtags in here, and these are what is trending on Twitter right now, and they are based on the country that you are currently in. I'm currently in Sweden, so that is why you see a bunch of Swedish hashtags. If you click on show more, then you will see more trending on Twitter if you scroll down. And as you can see, almost all of these hashtags are based on location. So this is how to see trending in Twitter. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to answer you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.